Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will introduce you to the transcription industry. If you want to start or learn more about transcription jobs, you're in the right place. Continue to watch this video to gain some info. Transcription Jobs Online Beginner's Guide for Work from Home or Office. Find out the benefits of doing transcription jobs online that may help in your financial needs, while you stay safe working from home. Here you will learn the following. What is transcription? Transcription process. Categories of transcription. Advantages or benefits of doing transcription jobs. Disadvantages of working from home. How much does a transcriptionist earn? Will automated speech recognition replace human transcriptionists? What is transcription? Transcription from the English language is the process of translating or converting spoken words, phrases or sentences into a written or text format known as a transcript. This is usually done by a qualified transcriber or transcriptionist, although it can also be done by a voice or speech-to-text software. Transcription process. A transcription service provider, usually a company or an individual, has clients who want their dictated audio files to be converted into a readable text format. To carry out this process, the transcription service provider hires transcriptionists or transcribers who listen to the dictated audio files and convert to text document using a word processor. When done with transcribing, the transcriptionist delivers the transcript back to the service provider by uploading through a secured portal. The transcription service provider will then compensate or pay the transcriptionist for the job done. This can be deposited to transcriber's account provided. Continue to watch to know more about how much a transcriptionist can earn. Why do they need transcripts? The main reason is for documentation purposes, research, repository or archiving, posting for podcasts, blogs or SEO, or as supporting documents for medical, legal or insurance claims. The transcripts will help physicians document patients' care and determine the progress and what other healthcare interventions are needed. Attorneys need written documents as exhibits or proof for defense purposes. Documentary evidence is needed to pursue a claim. Viewers can understand better what they are watching, especially foreign languages. Doing transcription jobs online or at home can be challenging but fulfilling. It's gratifying when you know that the transcripts that you produce help other people. Categories of transcription. As technology becomes available to all, there are more transcription jobs online from home or office open for transcriptionists. Basically, there are three categories of transcription: medical transcription or healthcare documentation. This includes medical reports like history and physical progress or SOAP notes, medical referral letters, discharge summary, etc. Legal transcription. Court documents like pleadings, subpoenas, sworn statements, summons, depositions, interrogations, hearings, etc. General transcription. All non-medical and non-legal documents such as interviews, conference calls, workshops, speeches, lectures, phone messages, etc. Transcription jobs have broadened to include financial or business and insurance claims, captioning or subtitling, podcasts, meetings, webinars. As there are alternatives available, transcription jobs offer great options that suits your passion, knowledge, and skills. If you are medically inclined or want to focus on medical reports, go for healthcare documentation or medical transcription. If you have some legal background or want to focus on legal matters, you can do legal transcription. If you have passion in financial or business, claims and insurance, there are transcription jobs available for you. Further, you can do captioning or subtitles of movies, telenovelas, YouTube videos, etc., or transcribe audios for podcasts, meetings, or webinars, or do general transcription jobs online if you prefer this type of transcription work. Don't worry if you don't have the knowledge and skills yet. You can learn and develop them and be able to do transcription jobs online, in an office, or work from home. Advantages or benefits of doing transcription jobs. Transcription jobs offer work opportunities to anyone interested regardless of gender, status, affiliations, or race. It's a great way to earn for your needs and for your family or loved ones. It's a flexible job wherein you can either do it full-time or part-time, office-based or home-based, in any shift you want. Just log in and start working from home. If your present salary is not enough, it can be a second source of income. Nowadays, don't just depend on a single income. It can be a fallback when the company you're working for closes, retrench, or redundant employees, and you are one of them. You can work online from the comfort of your home anywhere in the world. During times of pandemic like COVID-19, where many countries are affected and millions lose their jobs, transcription jobs online offer a great opportunity to work from home, and you will be safe from being contracted of any communicable disease like coronavirus. When you work from home. No commuting. Save money on fuel, fare and food or snacks. No traffic. Spend more time with family. No dress code or uniform. You can wear comfortable casual clothes. Flexible work schedule. More productive. No office politics and in-house office rules to follow. Disadvantages of working from home. No fixed salary or steady work. Earning is based on production, so no work, no pay. No holiday pay and government-mandated benefits like HMO or health benefits, SSS, etc., but you can avail as self-employed. You need to pay for additional internet and electricity usage. You may experience some disturbance from family members or noise from neighbors. To minimize this, you need to designate a space in your home for your workplace. An area that's free from noise, as you will be listening to audios most of the time. Inform your family members of your work schedule so that they will refrain from disturbing you. It's a matter of managing your time and at-home resources. If you feel the benefits of working from home outweigh the disadvantages, then go for it. It's your choice. If not, look for a transcription service company that hire transcriptionists in an office-based setting. How much does a transcriptionist earn? Earnings vary whether home-based or office-based. The figures presented here are sourced from leading transcription providers that offer transcription jobs online. It can be lower or higher in some depending on their rate or payment scheme. This will give you an idea how much you can earn in doing transcription jobs online. Some transcription providers offer bonuses or incentives when you exceed your productivity and quality. Home-based general and legal transcriptionists earnings. The basis of earnings is usually per production, like per minute or hour of audio, per word, page or project-based. Some general transcription service providers offer 10 cents to $2.50 per minute of audio file. Others pay $15 to $60 per hour of audio, up to $150 for foreign language. If project-based, $10 to $30 per hour. Others, if per word, 0.0025 cents up to 0.005 cents. Some legal transcription providers offer 0.00588 cents per word. Others per page. Please note that these amounts vary per transcription service provider. It can be lower or higher. It also depends on some factors like difficulty level of file. Easy files definitely cost lesser than difficult ones. Just to give an estimate how much you can earn, for example, you're able to transcribe an average of 65 minutes a day at 85 cents per minute. Your earnings would be 65 minutes times 85 cents equals $55.25 a day, around 7-hour work in a day. 5 days times $55.25 equals $276.25 a week for a 5-day week work. Or, 4 weeks times $276.25 equals $1,105 a month, around 4-week work in a month. Home-based medical transcriptionists earnings. The basis of earnings is usually per line. 1 line equals 65 characters. This varies ranging from 3 cents to 16 cents per line. Some offers 0.005 cents to 0.00695 cents per word. Transcription service providers in other countries offer lower rates than these amounts. For example, you're able to produce an average of 1,000 lines per day at 8 cents per line. Your earnings would be 1,000 lines times 8 cents equals $80 a day, around 7-hour work a day. 5 days times $80 equals $400 a week for a 5-day week work. 4 weeks times $400 equals $1,600 a month, around 4-week work in a month. The sample computations presented here for general, legal and medical are just estimates. It can be higher or lower depending on some factors like your skill level, experience, your country location, number of days work, and whether you're doing it part-time or full-time. If you work 6 days in a week and extend your working hours in a day, you will definitely earn more. All earnings will be deposited in your approved account provided, either bank, PayPal or other form or method of payment authorized by transcription service provider. Earnings can be weekly, bi-monthly or monthly, end of project or daily, etc., depending on transcription provider's payment scheme. Office-based transcriptionists earnings. Whether medical, legal or general transcription, most service providers offer a fixed monthly salary. Some with allowance or incentives if you exceeded your quality or productivity range, usually the same or higher than government-mandated minimum wage. If you know the salary range in your country, at least you have an idea or an estimate amount how much. Salary is given every 15th and end of month. Usually deposited in your payroll account or given in cash. You can earn an average of $250 a month doing this as a part-time job, or even more to as high as $2,200 a month full-time or more depending on your skill level or experience, location, etc. Like in any other online jobs, be careful of scammers. Offering too good to be true salaries. Require you to pay some costly recruitment or hiring fees before getting hired for a non-existent job. Most legit transcription service providers do not require you to pay a hiring fee or whatever fees before they will hire you. You may spend some money for your tools, equipment and software or trainings to enhance your skills, but other than that, no other fees required when you apply for transcription jobs online or office-based. Will automated speech recognition software replace human transcriptionists? We cannot do away with technology. Instead, we need to embrace it and be updated. In fact, with automated speech recognition, ASR, the process of transcription becomes simpler. Humans and artificial intelligence complement each other. Some advantages and disadvantages. In terms of speed, human transcriptionists may take a longer time, from a few minutes to hours, to transcribe a 1-minute or 5-minute audio file, whereas ASR or automated speech recognition can produce a transcript in a matter of seconds to minutes only. The problem with ASR is accuracy. Human transcriptionists can produce a near-perfect or error-free transcription, whereas for ASR, even if you use the best automated speech recognition software, the transcript produced is not accurate. It needs to undergo some editing or proofreading for accuracy. Human transcriptionists can analyze and check to correct grammatically wrong sentences, use the right words and check for spelling, punctuations, and analyze if the thought or message is correct. A machine or software cannot analyze or check for grammatically wrong sentences, where to put the correct punctuations for clarity and whether the sentence or the transcript has conveyed its meaning correctly with the right words and spellings. Human transcriptionists, as a thinking human being, have the ability to research, to look for meanings of sound-alike terms in order to use the correct term. ASR cannot determine the right sound-alike terms to use. For multiple speakers and garbled audios, human transcriptionists can determine interviewer, interviewee, third party, or speaker 1, 2, or 3. If the audio is of poor quality, soft, or garbled, human transcriptionists can decipher and recognize the correct words for unintelligible dictations. ASR cannot determine which one is the interviewer or being interviewed, third party, and cannot decipher garbled audios. Thus, ASR still needs the intervention of human transcribers or transcriptionists to check for accuracy. Human transcriptionists can work as an editor or proofreader of automated reports or messages produced through ASR for quality or accuracy. With this innovation, it opens another opportunity for transcriptionists to upgrade to become editors or proofreaders. For these reasons, transcription jobs online or in an office continue to exist regardless of automated speech recognition softwares. Indeed, transcription jobs will continue to provide job opportunities to anyone interested who are looking for a decent way to earn, whether you work in an office, transcribe online, or work from home. Under medical transcription, legal transcription, general transcription, or financial or business, insurance claims, subtitle translator or captioning, podcast webinars or meetings, transcription jobs may not be for everyone, but if you really want or determined to pursue this career, there are great job opportunities available. Like in any job, it requires you to have some dedication. Again, doing or engaging in any transcription jobs may be challenging, but gratifying when you know that the transcripts that you produce help other people. Doing a transcription job can help in your financial needs. It may not make you rich, but it can be your bread and butter. We have been in this job for over a decade now, and have known some over 20 years still doing this job, which means that it can sustain our needs. There are available transcription jobs online or office-based waiting for you. Do you want to pursue a job or career in the transcription industry? You need to have some knowledge and skills to do any transcription jobs online from home or in an office setting. Please watch our other video to learn more about the basic requirements and qualifications to become a transcriptionist. Share your thoughts, and if you find this info useful, go ahead and share it to others, as we believe in sharing is caring. For more info about this topic, check the link in the description below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click notification to be notified for more videos related to transcription jobs like tools or equipment and softwares, trainings, simple transcriptions, companies hiring transcriptionists, etc. Whatever you decide on, it will be done and light will shine on your ways. Thank you for watching and God bless.